This video is showing you how the Traclocz case box system works. This is a plastic box in which you could put cosmetics, lip balms, or candies. This particular one has an ink pad in it for rubber stamping. How this system works is you'll notice that along the base there's a track that goes all the way around the circumference of the case. In this case you have two connector buttons. These are little two-headed connector buttons that when pressed together will connect two of these cases together. You also have what I'm calling a lanyard connector, to which you can connect a keyring chain, or you can hang it for merchandising in a store this way, or you can attach another label to that lanyard connector. These button connectors slide and move around the entire circumference without any difficulty. There's also a keyway here that allows the connector to be angled so it faces out the bottom. So I'll show you later that this is how you can connect the cases base to base, so you can have one, like in an ink pad, have one color facing out one way and another color facing the other direction. To connect two cases together, simply push the connector button into the track on the other side. It'll connect with a snap. Now, to move them around each other, you have to turn them opposite to each other so that you can push the connector around the other one. But you can see they connect together very well, and it's a movable connection where you can make the cases, these particular ones, you could make them into the yin-yang shape, or several different configurations, as you can see from the photographs on the website. And then when you want them to come apart, you can just pull them apart and they snap apart. If you want them to have a more solid connection, for example, to just stay as the yin-yang looking symbol, if you connect two of them together where the connectors are a little further apart, you can see that it pretty much stays as the yin and yang and is more difficult to move around. You can move it around a little bit, but it will mostly stay connected as the yin-yang. And you could merchandise them this way if you so choose. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to connect them base to base, so that if you're using stamp pads, you can have blue facing out one way and black the other way, or dark blue or light blue. Or if this was in the case of lip balms, you could have one type of lip balm facing one way and another the other way. Get the connector positioned where the key slot is and move it so it's facing out the bottom. Push it into the other case and angle it down so that they're touching base to base, and you can see the connector is pinning them together at that slot. Now you have to pin together the other side. So go to the other side, angle the connector up, and push it together. Now you can see that on both sides the connector is holding them together. It's a good solid connection, and now you can open one side and have one color, and open the other side and have a different color. To get them apart when they're connected base to base, all you do is just push them in the one direction and they come right apart.